Want to create a QR code for a contact on your iPhone? Let's dive into the details. Open the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. Tap Gallery at the bottom right of the screen. Search for QR code in the search bar at the top. Tap on the plus next to Make QR Code Shortcut to incorporate the QR code generator into your collection of shortcuts. Go back to the Shortcuts tab at the bottom left. Select the Make QR Code shortcut you've just added. Choose Add Contact, and then select any contact you'd like to make a QR code for. Tap the bottom left icon, then bring up the menu and tap Save Image. This action saves the generated QR code to your device's photo library. Exit the Shortcuts app and open the Photos app. View the new QR code within your photos. It's now ready to be shared, allowing others to scan it and quickly access the contact info you've provided. Subscribe for more simple and effective tips.